Settings on Tisanji. There are 3 levels of settings in Tisanji. Profile settings in the small flower at the top right. For example, the type of license, your purchases, your favorite seed companies. For professional licenses, company information for the cartridge, and group permission management. This is where you can change your email address and password. This is also where you manage the type of weekly task reminders you wish to receive.
Garden settings, bottom left, and hamburger menu.
This is where you enter the address of the garden to access aerial photos. A tutorial is available for this feature. But also defining the hardiness zone for your garden, which influences the plants that come up when you search for perennials. We suggest plants that will be perennial in your climate zone. You can also track the garden's progress over the years by creating new versions for each year. Finally, the settings related to the garden view. At the gear icon, also at the bottom left of the screen. The first thing to note about these settings is that they don't actually change the data, but only influence the appearance of the drawing. These are settings such as the unit system, whether the measurement is 1 meter or 39.37 inches, it is the same distance. So if several people are working on a garden, each participant can modify their view as they wish without affecting the view of the other participants. Here is the list of settings related to the view. Metric or imperial unit system. This can be seen in the grid scale, but also in the various dialogues and menus. The different views allow you to change the display of plants. A tutorial explains in detail all the possibilities for modifying the appearance of plants in your plan. The transparency of trees. Sometimes you want to see trees transparently in order to draw flower beds at their feet.
The font used for graphic notes.
Display of surface and plant names. Note 1. For the names to appear, the surface must be large enough on the screen to be displayed. Note 2. We do not display the names of anonymous surfaces such as polygons, rectangles, or ellipses. Note 3. For full control over the individual visibility of notes, use the graphic notes in the right-hand menu. For professional licenses, bubbles adding photos, common and Latin names of plants as graphic elements, with full control over the position and visibility of the bubbles. The visibility of the grid in the background. The visibility and appearance of the compass rose. Note that the compass rose allows you to rotate the entire drawing. This allows you to better orient yourself or to maximize the space on the screen. Connection activated or deactivated. Activated connection allows you to snap surfaces together with precision. This also provides guides, for example, for modifying a curve into a straight line or a semicircle. Sometimes, however, you do not want to snap anywhere and want to move the surface completely freely. For instance, if you want to locate precisely each plant on the very tight flower bed. Max Zoom 20. This setting restricts the ability to enlarge the image and is mainly intended to some Apple tablets that tend to freeze when the images are enlarged too much. By default, this setting is set to maximum magnification, and in most cases, you don't have to worry about it. Finally, there is the automatic or manual menu opening. In automatic mode, the right-hand window opens automatically when a surface is selected to show you the details related to the surface. Much appreciated for the beginner, the users who like to draw on the right-hand side of the screen can prefer the manual mode. In manual mode, you have to click on the detail icon to open the menu and show the details relative to your selected surface. That's a quick tour of our settings. Several of them are covered in a tutorial that gives you even more details about the many possibilities that Tisanji drawing applications offer you.